how to install TiviMate on Android. So if you want to install TiviMate on your Android, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and search for TiviMate. After searching, you'll find the application right here, TiviMate. Once you find it, you will have an install button. You need to just tap on install and it will start the installation process. But as you can see that it's not available in my region, or it says that your device isn't compatible with this version. So if you're facing this kind of problem, then you can go back and go with TiviMate.com. Here you may have a download option. Now as you can see that it says download APK, which will be on the right side. You need to go and download the APK version. After downloading it, you'll be able to install the application. In this way, you'll be able to download TiviMate, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.